guys, and welcome to Beading, Crafting with Esther. So today we're going to make stretchy bracelets. A lot of us are feeling a little unmotivated. So I thought this could be something fun and entertaining. Supplies needed: scissors or these little handy cutters. Everything you can get at your local supply store, craft supply store. Super glue. And of course beads. I like the bigger beads because they don't take as long. So I know I do. I use way too much string, but I like to double up on it. Cut it. Oh, and then we need our bead needles. I like using them. You don't have to. Can you see? It's like the smallest thing ever. So you loop your stretchy string through and you just tie it at the end. Nice little tie. And I like to use like a little stopper bead. So I'm just gonna put like a little tiny bead on there first. And then I'm just gonna start putting beads on my bracelet. All the beads at Michael's are 70% off. You don't have to leave your house. This has been tested on children. Boys and girls both love it because it is easy and you come out with a really cool product and you can be like, you can sell them to anybody because you kind of can, and you find these beads almost anywhere. So I like to measure with my own wrist, and that's about halfway. Sometimes I like to put just like a little bead in the middle, like another kind of bead, to just break it up so you see what I'm doing right there. Yes, I know. And you're just gonna keep going. Also, these are fun because sometimes people are like, oh, I like your bracelet, and I can just, throw it off and give it to them. And they're like, oh my God. And I'm like, no. I have a million of these. Like, don't worry about it. So you just kind of keep measuring it to get along with your wrist. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So when you're ready, just stretch it out a little bit and tie those two ends together. You cannot see what I'm doing at all, but you guys get the gist. Into a knot, take your super glue and just put a little dab of super glue on, stop it, on your knot. And I like to just slide a bead over that knot to hide where the knot is. And then you can take your scissors and just cut as close to the bead as you can. And you got your stretchy bracelet, y'all. And I make a bunch of them. Oh, and you can just attach little things to it. Also, the youths, like these. This one says, okay, my cat just spilled on my beads. That was adorable though. This one says meh. But they can spell out their boyfriend, their girlfriend's name, their pets, your name, whatever. Anyway, so doing crafts and hobbies is a really good way to pass the time. Open an Etsy shop. No, don't do that. I heard Etsy's terrible. But having a schedule and sticking to a schedule is really important right now. So try to do that. If not, don't worry about it. Forgiveness, and I hate this word, but self-care, whatever that means to you, whatever makes you happy. Stay safe, and let me see y'all's bracelets if you make some. Oh, if you need beads or supplies, I have tons. I will mail them. I will drop them off at your house. I have an N94 mask. I have goggles. I have everything. Only because I took a job in healthcare recently. It's not because I'm like a doomsday prepper or anything. But I hope to see you guys soon. Love y'all.